shaking it. You need this put in bowl.
Des yeux qui font baisser les miens, un rire qui se perd sur sa bouche. Voilà le portrait
Yes, that's
de l'homme auquel
that's how you do it right there. See, put it half on your hands. 'Cause you forget how to crack an egg. Oh, let's try this again.
Je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours. Et ça me fait quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon cœur une part de bonheur dont je connais la cause.
Now I have chicken egg juice all over my kitchen. So now, once you have chicken produce, chicken produce, in there, you have whiskey. Yes, how Mama used to make it. Yes, 1/2 cup milk. So this is a tablespoon. But we don't need that. Okay. Milk. So now you see, you take milk, you steal half of it, and then you get it to that one. 1/2 cup milk. Wow. So now that you have your whisk, you take the whisk. Yes, look at the cow with mixing. 1 cup flour. So take this. I think this is cups. Now, since you know, probably I didn't cut there for any reason other than that, this is perfect. Also, the camera was overheating. So now, put in a little water. Oh yeah. Give it a splash of life. So now this is thick. And now, crepe. And you can also add things like blueberry syrup and maple syrup because Quebec, Canada. Yep, this is good voiceover, 100%.